we talk about investing in agricultural machinery, one crucial factor that cannot be overlooked is long-term value. In the case of the John Deere 5065E, it's not just a machine that performs well, it's also an asset with high resale value. Thanks to the strong brand reputation and the popularity of this model in the used market, even after several years of use, it can still be sold at a good price. This significantly reduces cost-related risks for farmers looking to upgrade or expand in the future. Another impressive feature is the versatility of the John Deere 5065E when it comes to working with a wide range of implements. Whether it's a plow, Kubota-type tiller, mower, sprayer, water pump, or fertilizer spreader, its strong 3-point hitch and PTO, power takeoff system, can handle them confidently. The conveniently placed control levers also make it easy for the operator to manage attachments precisely, minimizing time lost to adjustments when switching between tools. The tractor also offers adaptive traction control by adjusting the speed between front and rear wheels depending on the terrain. This is especially helpful when working in slippery or muddy areas, enhancing grip and reducing wheel slip. The selectable 4WD mode further increases efficiency, conserving fuel when not needed and providing extra power when facing steep slopes or tough soil. In terms of operator comfort, the 5065E does not disappoint. It features a large weight-supporting seat with adjustable height and forward-backward settings to match the driver's build. There are small storage compartments for documents or tools and options for installing a radio, speakers, or even a fan to enhance comfort during long working hours. One thing many users agree on is the confidence they feel when sitting behind the wheel of a John Deere. It feels solid, powerful, and ready to take on any job, whether it's working in rugged cassava fields, sloped palm plantations, or muddy rice paddies during the rainy season. The 5065E handles it all with ease. Although it may be classified as a mid-sized tractor, in many parts of Thailand, the John Deere 5065E is often the primary workhorse for small to medium-sized farms, especially those with over 20 rai, approximately 8 acres, of land. Its multi-function capability reduces the need for multiple machines, saving on equipment, labor, and time. Another clear advantage is fuel efficiency. John Deere engines are designed for optimal combustion and accurate fuel control, which means longer operation between refuels. The 5065E in particular can operate throughout the entire day without worrying about frequent refueling, making it ideal for intensive farming routines. Finally, if you're at the decision-making stage and looking for a tractor that offers durability, reliability, and dependable after-sales service, the John Deere 5065E stands out as one of the best choices on the market today, especially for those who value quality over the lowest price. What you gain from choosing John Deere is peace of mind throughout the life of the machine and consistently high performance, no matter how many years pass.